Match list 1 and list second and select the correct answer using the code given below. List 1 section, list second offense. Section 463, correct answer is forgery. Section 445, correct answer is housebreaking. Section 441, correct answer is criminal trespass. Section 503, criminal intimidation. By going this, correct code will be A. Question number 952. A finds a purse with money. Not knowing to whom it belongs, he afterward discovers that it belongs to B and appropriates to his own use. A is guilty of criminal misappropriation. Question number 953. If the offence is punishable with fine only, the imprisonment which the court imposes in default of payment of the fine shall be simple one, only rigorous, either simple or rigorous, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, that is simple one. Question number 954. Which of the following combinations are not correctly matched? Shiraz versus D. Radzan, mens rea. Barendra Kumar, intoxication. Abhidyanand Mishra versus State of Bihar, right to die. Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab, criminal attempt. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Codes are option A, 2, 3, 4 is the right answer. These are not correctly matched. Other Shiraz versus D. Radzan is a case combination related to mens rea. Other Birendra Kumar Ghosh and Abhinand Mishra versus State of Bihar, Gyan Kaur versus State are not correctly matched. Question number 955. A intending to commit theft enters the house of B at night and removes from one of the rooms a box to the country yard where he opens it. He does not find the box anything worth taking and leave the box. There goes away. In this case, A is liable for only for house trespass. A is liable for theft. A has committed no offence. And option D, A is liable for house trespass and attempt to commit theft. Option D is the right answer. A is liable for house trespass as well as attempt to commit theft. Question number 956. A finds the key to Y's house door, which Y had lost, and commits home trespass by entering Y's house, have opened the door with the key. What offence A has committed? Lurking, house trespass, criminal misappropriation, attempt to commit theft, housebreaking. Here the correct answer is option D, that is housebreaking. Question number 957. If death of a major person is caused with his consent, suffers death or takes the risk of death with his known consent, it is a murder, it is not a murder but culpable homicide, it is abetment of murder, none of these. Correct answer is option B, that is it is not a murder but culpable homicide. Question number 958. Extortion is described in section 383 of IPC. Question number 959. Culpable homicide is causing death with the intention of causing death, with the intention of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death, with the knowledge that it is likely by such act to cause death. Option D, all are correct. Here correct answer is option D, all are correct. Question number 960. If the property is removed by under mistake of fact, it is robbery, dacoity, theft, none of these. Correct answer is option D, that is none of these. Question number 961. A instigates B to cause grievous hurt to X. In consequence of the instigation, B causes grievous hurt to X. X dies in consequence. A is guilty of abetment of murder if A knew that grievous hurt abetted was likely to cause death. Grievous hurt as A had instigated to commit grievous hurt and not murder. Murder even if he did not know that the grievous hurt would result in murder. And option D, culpable homicide not amounting to murder as death had resulted as a consequence of the grievous hurt. By going through all the options, correct option is option A, murder, if A knew that grievous hurt abetted was likely to cause death. Which one of the following cases is a case relating to section 34 of IPC? Correct answer is Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus King Emperor. In which of the following cases the Privy Council made a distinction between common intention and similar intention? Correct answer is B, Mehboob Shah versus King Emperor. In which of the following cases Lord Somers said, "They also serve who stand and wait"? Correct answer is Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor. Distinction between section 34 and section 149 of IPC has been authoritatively expounded by the Supreme Court in Nanak Chand versus State of Punjab. Which one of the following case is not related to the principle of joint liability based on common intention? Correct answer is Reg versus Govinda. Cases which are related to principle of joint liability based on common intention are Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor, Mehboob Shah versus King Emperor, I.M. Desai versus State of Bombay. In which of the following cases a clear difference between common intention and similar intention was well discussed? Correct answer is Mehboob Shah versus King Emperor. The principle of distinction between a similar intention and same intention was laid down in Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus King Emperor. Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor is a leading case in which of the following subjects? Common intention. The case of Mehboob Shah versus Emperor was decided by one of the following courts? Privy Council. The judgment in a case of Mehboob Shah versus Emperor was given by which one of the following judges? Justice Sir Madhavan Nair. The difference between section 34 and 149 IPC has been brought out in which one of the following important cases by Supreme Court? Correct answer is Nanak Chand versus State of Punjab. Which one of the following related to joint liability under IPC? Here the correct answer is Mehboob Shah versus Emperor. The doctrine of joint liability is envisaged by section 34 of the IPC based on the decision of which one of the following? Correct answer is Reg versus Cruz. The distinction has been well explained by the Supreme Court in Nanak Chand versus State of Punjab AIR 1955 relating to which one of the following sections of IPC? Correct answer is between section 34 and section 149, common intention, common object. Death sentence should be awarded in rarest of the rarest cases was held in Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab. The real and abiding concern for the dignity of human life was decided in the case of Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab. The case of Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab is considered to be an important decision of the Supreme Court of India in the context of death penalty. Jagmohan Singh versus State of UP AIR 1973 establishes that award of death sentence is not violative of Article 21 of the Constitution. Which among the following case was the first case before the Supreme Court of India where the constitutionality of death penalty was challenged? Here the correct answer is Jagmohan Singh versus State of UP. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India set out the guidelines for safeguarding the interest of death row convicts? Correct answer is Shatrughan Chauhan versus Union of India 2014. Shatrughan Chauhan versus Union of India 2014 is a case related to commutation of death sentences to life imprisonment. In which of the following cases Supreme Court has pronounced triple test formula for awarding death sentence? Correct answer is Shankar Krishna Rao Khade versus State of Maharashtra. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court lay down the guidelines for the premature release of life convict? Correct answer is Lakshman Naskar versus Union of India. In the matter of commutation of death sentence into life imprisonment on ground of inordinate delay, a mercy petition, the apex court observed no fixed period of delay could be held to make the sentence of death inexecutable. It was observed in which of the following case? It was observed in Triveni Vain versus State of Gujarat. Which one of the following case it does not belong to the same group? P. Ratnam versus Union of India, Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab, Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab and Aruna Shanbag versus State of Punjab. Here, Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab does not belong to the same group. Sedition and conspiracy. Which one of the following case is known as the Leamington Road shooting conspiracy case? Here the correct answer is Emperor versus Vaishampayam. Which of the following case is also known as Nasik conspiracy case? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar's case. The ambit and scope of the offence of sedition under section 124A of the IPC was considered by a 5-judge constitutional bench of the Supreme Court in the case of Kedar Nath Singh versus State of Bihar. Which one of the following case decided by the federal court under section 124A of IPC? Niharendu Dutt versus Emperor. The definition of criminal conspiracy in section 120A IPC has been taken from that given in Mulakabe versus Queen. In which of the following cases husband and wife both were held guilty of criminal conspiracy? Here the correct answer is Tej Khan versus State of Madhya Pradesh. The ambit and scope of the offence of sedition under section 124A of IPC was considered by a 5-judge constitutional bench of the Supreme Court in the case of Kedar Nath Singh versus State of Bihar. The Supreme Court in which case held that words, deeds or writings constituted an offence under section 124A of IPC only when they had the intention or tendency to disturb public tranquility. Here the correct answer is Kedarnath versus State of Bihar. Which one of the following is a case decided by the federal court on section 124A of IPC? Correct answer is Niharendu Dutt versus Emperor. The case of KM Nanavati versus State of Maharashtra is related to grave and sudden provocation. Decision in which of the following cases has been described by the Supreme Court to have attained the status of landmark for bringing out correct test for application of section 300 clause 3 of IPC? Correct answer is Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab. In Rex versus Govinda, the points of distinction between the provisions of the following section of IPC were explained in Section 299 and Section 300. The distinction between Section 299 and Section 300 of IPC was first elaborately discussed in the following case, R versus Govinda. Which of the following case is considered as locus classicus on Section 300, thirdly, of the IPC 1860? Correct answer is Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab. In which of the following leading cases Justice Vivan Bose distinguished culpable homicide and murder? Correct answer is Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab, AIR 1958. The State of Andhra Pradesh versus R Punnaya case deals with distinction with which of the following sections of IPC? Section 299 and Section 300. Under which of the following cases for the first time the Supreme Court of India has reaffirmed the distinction between culpable homicide and murder while adopting the view suggested in Govind case? Correct answer is State of Andhra Pradesh versus R.R. Punaiya. The case of Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab related to attempt to commit suicide. Every doctor is not responsible under Section 304A of IPC for the death of a person due to his negligent operation unless his intention is culpable. This has been laid down in Jacob Matthew versus State of Punjab 2005 Supreme Court. Right to live with human dignity does not include right to terminate natural life was held in Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab. This is very important case. Section 303 of IPC was struck down by unconstitutional by Mittu versus State of Punjab. The case of S. Vardarajan versus State relates to Section 363 of IPC. Section 377 of IPC regarding unnatural offence was partially struck down by the Supreme Court in the case of Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India. Recently, Supreme Court has interpreted Section 2 of Section 375 of IPC as sexual intercourse or sexual acts by men with his own wife, the wife not below 18 years, is not rape. The case is Independent Thought versus Union of India, in which of the case the Honorable Supreme Court has directed to pay minimum compensation of rupees 3 lakh per acid attack victim. Correct answer is Lakshmi versus Union of India. Name of the victim of the sexual offence shall not be mentioned. It was held in which of the following cases? S. Ramakrishna versus State. Which one of the following case pertains to the constitutionality of Section 377? Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India. The Apex Court has observed how compromise is not free choice of the rape survivor but a hidden secret of law where justice is reduced to a bargain between victim's kin. State authorities and accused identify the case law. Correct answer is Ravindra versus State of Madhya Pradesh. In the eventuality of grievous hurt becomes culpable homicide not amounting to murder, the injury which is actually found should itself be such that it may put the life of the injured in danger was decided in the case of Government of Bombay versus Abdul Wahab. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court of India strike down Section 303 IPC as unconstitutional? Here the correct answer is D. Mittu versus State of Punjab. In which of the following cases Supreme Court held that brutality is inbuilt in every murder, but in case of every murder, death sentence is not imposed? Here the correct answer is Prem Sagar versus Dharamveer. Which case cited mediation in rape case sans legal permissibility? Correct answer is State of Madhya Pradesh versus Madan Lal. In which Section 309 IPC was declared unconstitutional? Correct answer is Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab. In Supreme Court bench, Justice Deepak Mishra and Prafulla C. Pant observed any kind of liberal approach or thought of mediation in this regard between rape victim and the accused is thoroughly and completely sans legal permissibility. Correct answer is State of Madhya Pradesh versus Madan Lal. A two-judge bench of Supreme Court in Sher Singh Tap versus State of Haryana held that prosecution can discharge the initial burden to prove the ingredients of Section 304B of IPC even by preponderance of possibility. Match list 1 and list 2. KM Nanavati versus State of Maharashtra. Here for correct match is grave and sudden provocation. Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab. Correct answer is murder. Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor. Correct answer is common intention. Shyam Bihari versus State of UP. The correct answer is dacoity. Again the question is match the following. List 1 Kehar Singh versus Delhi administration. Correct answer is murder. Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan. Here the correct answer is sexual harassment. Rupa Deol Bajaj versus KPS Gill. Correct answer is outraging the modesty of women. Guru Dutt Mal versus State of UP. Correct answer is common object. In which of the following cases Supreme Court has pointed out the distinction between culpable homicide and murder? Correct answer is State of Andhra Pradesh versus R. Punaiya, AIR 77. Decision in which of the following cases has been described by the Supreme Court to have attained the status of a landmark for bringing out correct test for application of Section 300 Clause 3 of IPC? Correct answer is Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court explain the concept of grave and sudden provocation as a mitigating circumstances reducing the gravity of the offence from murder to culpable homicide not amounting to murder? Correct answer is KM Nanavati versus State of Bombay. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that compulsory death sentence for murder committed by a life convict undergoing imprisonment for life, Section 303, violate Article 21 of Constitution? Answer is Mittu versus State of Punjab. Shanti versus State of Haryana, AIR 1991, Supreme Court is a leading case in which of the following topics? Correct answer is dowry death. Lakshmi versus Union of India is a case in which of the following offence? Acid attack. In which of the following case, Honorable Supreme Court has directed to pay minimum compensation of 3 lakh per acid attack victim? Correct answer is Lakshmi versus Union of India. Rupal Dev Bajaj versus KPS Gill is a famous case in Supreme Court decided in outraging the modesty of women. In the matter of kidnapping and rape, the evidence given by prosecution being illiterate and rustic young women, some contradictions, omissions are natural as her collection, memory, observance and narration of chain of events. It was held by the Supreme Court in State of UP versus Chote Lal. The case of S. Vardarajan versus State of Madras is associated with which one of the following offence? Correct answer is kidnapping from lawful guardianship. In which of the following case, the constitutional validity of section 364A IPC has been upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court? Vikram Singh alias Vicky and another versus Union of India and others, 2015 Supreme Court. Match the following: sexual intercourse by husband with minor wife. Correct answer is Independent Thought versus Union of India. In camera trial of rape. Correct answer is State of Punjab versus Gurmeet Singh. Sexual harassment of women at workplace. Here the correct answer is Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan. And last, in camera trial of IPC cases of section 354 and section 377. Correct answer is Shakshi versus Union of India. Which one of the following interpretations of section 376B of IPC did the Supreme Court of India hold that in case of Omkar Prasad Verma versus State of Madhya Pradesh, the term custody implies guardianship and its meaning also included in care, keeping, charge, imprisonment, judicial or penal, safekeeping, etc. In dash, Supreme Court bench Justice Deepak Mishra and Prafull C.P. Pant observed any kind of liberal approach or thought of mediation in this regard between rape victim and accused is thoroughly and completely sense legal permissibility. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, कई एग्जाम में पूछा जा चुका है, याद कर लीजिए. स्टेट ऑफ MP वर्सेस मदन लाल. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India has held that section 303 of IPC is ultra vires of Article 14 and Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, Me Too versus State of Punjab. In which of the following landmark case a 3-judges bench of Supreme Court prescribed 4-point test relating to section 300 thirdly of IPC? Correct answer is Virsa versus State of Punjab, AIR 1958. Priya Patel versus State of Maharashtra held that a woman cannot be held guilty of gang rape. Two-finger test was questioned in case and was held to be violative of right of privacy, physical and mental integrity and dignity of the prosecutrix. This case was Lilu versus State of Haryana.